Right, we're now at the stage where we're going to repair the floor in the caravan. So let's get our 4" by 4" grid marked out, like squares marked out, and then we'll get the holes drilled, adhesive in, and dowels put in. So let's just crack on with that. Right, okay, so that's the floor all marked out. Hopefully you can see it there. I couldn't bother measuring out with a measuring tape, so I just got a bit of 4" bit of wood and just used that. It was a lot quicker. So next we will drill the holes, bore the holes through first bit of wood, first bit of ply, and then make sure you don't go through the second bit on the bottom. So yeah, let's crack on. Right, holes are bored. Let's get Henry Hoover out and let him do his biz, and then we can get the dowels put in. Right, we're all clean again. Let's see how these dowels go in the hole. Apparently you just put the resin into the hole and then pop in your dowel, and then spread over the floor the residue that comes out, or the excess resin that comes out. So let's see how that goes. They give you a syringe to put the resin in the holes. I'm just going to try and chop the top off and then just throw it in the hole and see what happens. So we'll go with the flow. Right, okay. Wow, oops. Resin's in. Dowel's in. I'll use the spreader to bring it across. Something like that, I guess. I've no idea. Yeah. That times over 200. See you in a bit. Right, so it's actually over a week since I've done the floor. The resin was cured the next day and ready to rock and roll. But I've not had time to get back to it till now. We're left with the resin that's used out the top, your excess resin, and also I ran out of dowels, so I had to get other ones, but they only had 40mm, so they're kind of sticking out the top in places. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the multi tool and buzz over and just top them all, and try and stay as close to the floor as possible without digging in, and hopefully I won't have to sand them afterwards. I should just be able to get nice and close with this. So yeah, we'll go and fire on and do that, and then we'll see what we're left with. So there we go, there's the floor all done, ready for whatever you would want to put down. In our case we're going to put some vinyl down, and we've got Mac, is it Mac Carpets and Bregan, they're coming to do it. I thought it's something that I wanted to get done right. I could probably do it myself, but yeah, I want to make sure that it was done right, and all the cuts. There's going to be a few tricky bits in here, cutting around all the seating area and what have you. So yeah, right, so that's it for this video. Next video, well, the caravan video will certainly probably be a walk around the caravan, let you see what's been done, what's been painted, what we've made, and a general update. Aye, if that's what you're into, see you next time. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Ta-da!